A missile streaks across the sky faster than sound. A laser weapon fires without traditional ammunition. A swarm of drones moves like a single intelligent machine. This is not science fiction. It is the cutting-edge weaponry shaping the future of modern warfare. For centuries, warfare depended on numbers, strength, and firepower. Today, technology is becoming the decisive advantage. The nations that master advanced weaponry may shape the future battlefield. Cutting-edge weaponry refers to advanced military technologies designed to improve speed, precision, protection, and coordination. These systems are not just stronger weapons. They represent a new way of thinking about warfare. But the first technology may be the fastest weapon humanity has ever created. Hypersonic weapons travel at extremely high speeds, potentially making them difficult to track and intercept. Their speed and maneuverability are driving a global race for advanced missile technology. Imagine hundreds of drones working together as one coordinated team. AI-powered drone swarms could support surveillance, communication, and complex missions in ways never seen before. Laser weapons use concentrated energy to engage targets with incredible speed. Unlike traditional ammunition, they rely on power systems rather than conventional projectiles. But what if a weapon could strike without using any explosive at all? Railguns use electromagnetic force to launch projectiles at extraordinary speeds. They represent one of the most fascinating concepts in future weapons research. Modern stealth technology is evolving beyond shape and materials. Future systems may focus on reducing radar, heat, and electronic signatures simultaneously. Autonomous combat vehicles could operate in dangerous environments while assisting human operators. They may become an important part of future military operations, and the next weapon may change the battlefield without firing a single bullet. Electronic warfare focuses on controlling the electromagnetic spectrum, disrupting communications, protecting networks, and gaining information superiority. Directed energy weapons use focused energy to engage targets. Researchers continue exploring how these systems could support future defense operations. Smart ammunition can be designed to improve precision and reduce unnecessary collateral damage by adjusting its trajectory toward a target. But the most powerful weapon of the future may not be physical at all. Cyber warfare targets information, networks, and digital infrastructure. In modern conflict, controlling data can be as important as controlling territory. Space-based systems support communication, navigation, observation, and early warning. As technology advances, space will continue to play a critical role in modern defense. Robotic systems are being developed to assist with reconnaissance, logistics, and hazardous operations, reducing risk to human personnel. So which of these technologies will dominate the battlefield of tomorrow? Around the world, nations are investing heavily in research and development, competing to create the next breakthrough in military technology. With every new technology comes new responsibility. The development of advanced weapons raises important questions about safety, control, and international cooperation. Future battlefields may involve AI, drones, satellites, cyber systems, and autonomous vehicles working together in ways that are only beginning to be understood. But one final question remains: are we ready for this future? Technology is advancing faster than ever before. The question is not whether cutting-edge weaponry will shape the future. It is how humanity will choose to use it. From hypersonic missiles and AI drones to laser weapons and cyber warfare, cutting-edge weaponry represents the next chapter in military innovation. The future of warfare is being written today, and war tech will continue exploring every breakthrough that shapes tomorrow's battlefield.